Today, I want to talk about a case that shakes every parent's heart. A 15-year-old boy kidnapped a 4-year-old child, took him to the forested area, threw him off a 30-foot cliff, and hit him with a stone. The child sadly did not survive, and the reason revenge. Just because the child's mother had informed someone about the boy's misdeed, his anger fell on an innocent. Now, let's break this down in simple words. Law behind the case. The police first booked it as a kidnap. When the child died, they added murder. The boy is 15-year-old. Under the Juvenile Justice Act 2015, child below 18 are treated as differently. If he was above 16 years, the court could treat him like an adult in heinous crimes. But since he is 15, the law still treats him as a juvenile, which means at most he may spend 3 years in a special home, not in jail. What this means for a society? Children are not toys. They observe, absorb, and sometimes react with dangerous anger. One fight between adults can lead to a disaster for kids. We must accept juvenile crimes are rising. Theft, drugs, assaults, even murders. And because of the protective shield of law, sometimes they escape with a lighter punishment. How to be aware and stay safe? Watch your kids. Always know when your children are playing. Do not leave them unattended in unsafe areas. Neighborhood disputes. Avoid dragging children into family quarrels. If there is a hostile neighbor or troubled teenager around, warn your children and keep them close. Teach children boundaries. Tell them, don't go anywhere with an older kid or stranger without informing us. Give them the confidence to say no. Community vigilance. Parents must talk with each other. If a child in the area is showing violent or criminal behavior, address it early with elders, teachers, or authorities. Emotional health. Teenagers who feel humiliated, angry, or neglected can become explosive. Parents, instead of only beating or scolding, must counsel and guide. And my final words, friends, this case is a reminder. Safety begins at home. Awareness begins with us. We cannot change the law overnight, but we can protect our children with vigilance, teaching, and community care. So let's be alert, let's be united, and let's make sure no innocent children become a victim of someone else's anger. This is Advocate Nedunuri Raghu. Stay aware, stay safe.